So we just got this blind box from ZGrills. Never had a pellet grill before, so we're real interested to see what we got. So we're gonna open it up and see. There it goes. An owner's manual. Maybe that'll tell us what model we got. And we got the 550B2.
Cool.
Awesome. Looks like it comes with a little metal catch bucket. You got your handle, you got your wheels, tools put together. Looks like it goes together pretty easy.
Oh, good deal.
Yeah. And here's our smoke size, kind of cool. This will be good. We wanted to get a pellet grill for a while. We've been just doing grilling and stuff previous, and our old grill literally exploded. So we've been wanting a pellet grill, and we're trying to get cooking a little healthier, get away from frying stuff and that. And this has heard a lot of great reviews, so that's why we pulled the trigger, and I'm really happy we did.
You helping, baby girl? You need help?
Yeah, there we go.
Sweet.
Great, some legs. So we got the instructions laid out. We got all the parts laid out. Looks fairly simple. Shouldn't take too terribly long. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the legs on. We're gonna put on some wheels. Looks like the handle goes next. We're doing the smokestack next. Okay, looks like we're doing the heat baffle next, and that is this bad boy. Installing the grease drain pan. Okay, sloped, that way your grease goes over there. We'll have a little catch bucket.
Oh, good.
Warming rack, the grill rack, and then the last thing will be hanging and drying. Grease catcher here. Probably would have been easier right side up, huh?
Look at it. All right, let us know how it is.
Oh, good.
Was it good? That's awesome. I'm happy with this grill.